idea that this administration wasn't serious about these tariffs. Like, did you actually watch any of the Trump team's campaign rallies over the last year? Like, it was very clear that like the tariffs were going to be a key platform issue or economic tool used by this administration. We even had a delay on the deadlines, and he said April 2nd, giving you more time to prepare. Yet when it comes to it, like, you see what markets down almost 5% today. And so if I'm looking at a financial advisor out there and you still have your clients, just hanging out there on a limb in the Mag 7, take it. Well, now if you look at information technology, that if you're overweight, you're even worse than 4.82% on the S&P 500. You're down 5.43% today on just the infotech sector. You're losing purchasing power for your clients. It's like, what are you doing? What are you paying attention to? And this is just, I feel like I'm a parent talking to a child who's making the same mistake twice. It's like, no, come on, you learn now. Now the message has to be like, I'm disappointed in you, to hope that you start getting better effort, better results, or to ultimately get a better result. But
one, I guess, counter argument to that people felt that the tariffs would come in on the lower end and towards that 10%. Maybe it's flat, but it's just around that 10% range, and to see, I think it was 34.
Well, markets pumped on that, Cameron. Like, when he started with the 10% across the board, and risk assets after hours pumped. And then he kept talking, and then he brought out the chart there, and that's when everything dumped. So, yeah, they thought it was good, right? I mean, they thought they were going to get off easy, I guess, or we thought we were going to get off easy.
Yeah, and I'd say if this caught you off guard, you fundamentally don't understand this administration's policy, but it's even deeper than that. You don't understand what's going on with the sovereign debt situation, international foreign exchange, international trade. Like, you really have a lot of homework to do to catch up, and it really depends on where you get your news, your information, your what analysis you're conducting, or at some point I kind of question, like, is there any analysis being conducted? Like, if you're still in that 40 to 50 year bull market paradigm, like, just say, like, target date funds, passive investing paradigm, where all you do is just, you don't care about price, you don't come up with any analysis of forward-looking expected returns. You don't make any capital allocation actual decisions, other than you just buy indices. It's like, all right, this should be a wake-up call that this new environment, which COVID kicked us into, like the degree of difficulty went up,